for me. Isn't it my birthday yet? Cause I gotta say, you're looking like a gift for me. Wrapped up nice and neat, baby. Get in my way now, don't be shy. We'll be here dancing day and night. Get in my groove now, don't be shy. Cause I got this list of my favorite things. You could be the part where it all begins. You could be the first and the second and the third and the rest of it. You could be one of the things I love. Sunday morning breakfast with my bedroom door locked. I like everything that has a cherry on.
Hello and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new. My name is Delaney and this is Home by Delaney. Today's video, I am doing a weekly home reset. It has been so long since I've done one of these videos, but if you haven't seen my mid-year reset yet, this is one of my goals. To be completely honest and realistic, although I would love my house to get a complete, perfect clean every time I do a weekly home reset, that is just not the reality of my life right now as a full-time working mom. And I'm just going to take you along with me and be as real as possible and, you know, share what I do get done, what I don't get done, and just try to be your supportive friend as we're just trying to make our house a home. So I hope you enjoyed today's video. We're going to do some cleaning. We have been on a few weekend trips, camping, so it just feels good to finally have a weekend to be home and get some things done. So thank you so much for being here, and I hope you enjoy today's video.
Get on my list of the things I love, love, love. You could be the one I trust. All the second chances, they are nothing for us. I like it all with the cherry on top. Be one of the things I love. We don't have to move so fast, baby. I will show you how you can catch my vibe. And right away, got so much time looping in the blurry lights. Get in my way now, don't be shy. We'll be here dancing day and night. Get in my groove now, don't be shy. Cause I got this list of my favorite things. You could be the part where it all begins. You could be the first and the second and the third and the rest of it. You could be one of the things I love.
All right, so I was officially like 3 weeks behind on putting away laundry. We had also, like I said, had gotten back from camping like the weekend before, so I threw everything into the wash and then hadn't had a chance to throw things away. So we also had a weekend trip at the beginning of July, so I feel like I've just been like in and out of bags all month. Again, so grateful for getting away and doing fun things, but my gosh, does the laundry pile up. So I was doing like 3 weeks worth of laundry for myself, my son, and like towels and rags and all of that stuff. So, and honestly though, it really didn't take long. I feel like I don't mind doing laundry as long as I put something on the TV, watch a YouTube video, watch a movie, and it makes everything feel so much more enjoyable to actually get things done and get things put away. But moving forward for my weekly home resets, again, much overdue, but I'm excited to get back on track, get more regular with my weekly home resets. My goal is to do laundry on a weekly basis. I'm definitely not an everyday laundry person just because I don't trust myself enough to put things into the wash and actually get them into the dryer, put them away. That's just too much of a task for me during the workday. For this a season of life, I was a little bummed about that shirt because it was super bleached and I think it was too far gone, but I'm going to go ahead and get everything put away, put some new sheets, and get this bed made.
Sunday morning breakfast with my bedroom door locked. I like everything that has a cherry on top. Get on my list of the things I love, love, love. You could be the one I trust. All the second chances, they are nothing for us. I like it all with the cherry on top. Be one of the things I love. The things I love, the things I love, the things I love.
I was also setting aside some 3T clothes because my son is officially in 4T clothes, so I could get those kind of put away. And then I will put away his laundry right before we put him to bed because at this time he was having quiet time. But heading over into the bathroom, again, it's not usually this bad. It does get bad. Don't get me wrong, I have a really bad habit of just leaving things on the counter throughout the week. But I was, had things from traveling on those weekend trips. So I put those all out on the counter so that I could get everything put away. So a lot of it was a matter of just literally putting things away. And then I always like to wipe down the countertops. I will probably do a bathroom deep clean, not in next week's weekly home reset, but in the one after that. I do like to do a deep clean of the bathrooms once a month and then just kind of tidy them up as needed in between, but that is the plan. But it just makes such a huge difference in here once everything is just put away, and it feels so much better.
A new place, a new home for a while. Let me feel alive. Nothing to hold me back.
So I'll be posting my August reset after this weekly home reset, but in that August reset, I am going to be doing a 30-day challenge. So this challenge is based off of the Daily 5 method. Michelle O'Malley she created this challenge and she did it over on her YouTube channel, and I resonated with it so much that I thought, you know what, might as well try it and see if I can get some really good habits out of it. So what this Daily 5 method does is it builds habits to keep your home health and mindset on track, and the biggest focus is consistency over perfection. So for myself, as a busy full-time working mom and UGC content creator, my schedule changes daily. So I'm focusing on 5 different commitments rather than setting unrealistic goals for each day, especially in this season of life where, again, I'm working, doing all the things, and being a mom all at once. So your 5 things can be anything. They don't need to be brand new habits either, but really 5 things that you want to be more consistent with. I have always struggled with consistency. I'm really good at starting things and stopping things. So my daily 5, one is going to be to plan. So plan daily in my planner, just like a daily plan, my social media planner, budgeting. Number 2 is to move. So movement, whether that is going on a walk with our dogs, playing around with my son, and then also my exercise routine that I'm definitely going to be jumping into more here in the month of August. And then number 3 is to clean. So obviously here I have my Sunday resets, and I'm going to be much more consistent with these, but I also want to implement some more daily cleaning, even if it's just 15 minutes, getting some clutter off of the counters, off of the table, off of the floor, just making things more tidy in general around my home so that it does make my Sunday resets easier. Number 4 is to read every single day. So I really haven't read at all in 2026 up until July. I read 2 books, and then I feel like I always remember how much I love reading. So I'm going to read 2 books in the month of August, and that is going to be a huge goal of mine. And then finally is my nighttime routine. I, go throughout the whole day. And then a lot of times I'm just exhausted at the end of the day and literally just crash. And I am really wanting to focus on my nighttime routine with like my skincare and like, making sure I'm brushing my teeth. And again, I know it doesn't seem much, but I think these 5 things all together are going to make me feel so much more put together, which is the whole goal of this challenge and being more consistent. So I am going to be sharing this challenge every day on my short form content, so YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram. So be sure to follow me over on those platforms at Home by Delaney if you want to follow along or even do this challenge along with me. I am super excited to see the outcome of everything.
Just enjoy the ride. I know, man, passing by, life is good, best I've ever felt. Get me up, somewhere new, somewhere I can find myself.
Moving on downstairs, got to put away some dishes, load the dishwasher. It was kind of a hot mess because I was also doing some stuff for work, so that's kind of just out. And then I need to do a little snack restock and wipe down the kitchen counters, clean the sink, the stovetop, just like all that stuff like that. Does your dog, if you have a dog, do they do this? My dog, he only weighs like 24 pounds, but I'm so scared he's gonna break the dishwasher. Anyways, I'm like having to close our little baby gate just so that I can do the dishes in peace. But I love him. I really do.
Oh, I feel so alive. As I reach out to the sky. I found my way. I was in the dark against it all, but made it through the day. Cause I found my way. In bad times, I know I'll be okay. Cause I found my way.
So I feel like my two least, okay, maybe I have three. My 3 least favorite chores. One is mopping. I don't mind vacuuming at all. I don't like mopping though. I do want to get like a vac mop. I feel like that would be really handy, especially with dogs and a toddler. And then I also really don't like I don't mind taking the trash itself out of the trash can and replacing the bag, but I don't like putting it all the way into the garage because that's just like a whole thing, especially with recycling boxes too. It's just my least favorite thing. And then also, I don't like cleaning showers. I just feel like that's a lot of work, but it does need to get done every so often. Doing a little snack restock here. These are some of my personal favorite snacks, but of course the whole family shares them. So I got some snack sizes of the Dots pretzels and then the lesser evil like space cheese balls and the popcorn. What I love about these snack bags is that they're already portioned out, and especially if you are on a health goal, kind of like I am, it's just easier to stay on track and making sure you're not overeating. So I just really like this as an option. And yeah, these are some of my favorite snacks. I always love a good snack restock. Also heading over to my coffee bar and restocking some of my Nespresso pods for the week ahead. So that way I am fully caffeinated.
I found my way. In bad times, I know I'll be okay. 'Cause I found my way.
So kind of like with my bathroom countertops, I just need to be a lot better about putting stuff away on my kitchen countertops too. And I feel like that would just make it so much easier when it comes to cleaning at the end of the week. But obviously we wiped down the counters and now I am doing a quick wipe down of our stovetop. It does need a good like razor kind of clean, but I just did not have it in me on this night. So I was like, you know what? We're going to take the little spray and it'll be just as good. Same thing with the sink. I just used my Dawn power wash and scrub daddy and scrubbed down the sink to at least get a good quick clean.
Trying to get away from this life I'm living. Same old things every day. Wanna change this feeling. Wasting no more time. Don't care about what you're saying. Try to keep me down. No time for all your playing. Yeah, even if you doubt me now, you should know.
That is going to be it for this weekly home reset. I really hope you enjoyed it. If you did, be sure to like and subscribe to my channel. There's going to be tons more where this came from. And I hope you feel ready to head into a new week. Thank you again so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.
I don't care about